Reborn from the ashes of history, fiercer, flashier, and more fabulous than ever before. Oh boy, we're about to embark on the wildest ride this side of the Cretaceous period. We're taking a T-REX UZI gun from Jurassic junkyard to modern masterpiece. First up, we're tackling that rust and decay like paleontologists on a dig. We're talking scrubbing, sanding, and buffing until this dino's metal gleams like it's straight out of the Mesozoic spa. Next, it's time to get artsy. We're not just restoring, we're resurrecting. This T-REX ain't just a gun, it's a statement. A statement that says, I may be extinct, but I'm still packing heat. But hold on to your butts, folks, because we're not done yet. Oh no, we're diving deep into the detail zone. Every scale, every tooth, every tiny Tyrannosaurus toenail gets the deluxe treatment. We're talking precision restoration here, folks. We're not just bringing this beast back to life, we're making it raw. It's the moment you've all been waiting for, the big reveal. And now, drumroll please. Behold, the T-REX UZI